If you're new to YouTube, you're just starting out your channel, or even if you're a old YouTuber, you might have seen, or you must have seen, YouTube intro videos. You must have seen other content creators or YouTubers make an introductory video. That's the video from the start of their content that describes who they are, or somehow makes an introduction of the kind of content they create, or the people they are. So in this video, I'll be teaching you how to make such introductory video. Most times it's simple. It can just be a simple video added before the content, which states which is something like welcome to my YouTube channel, or subscribe to my YouTube channel, something like that. This introductory video is normally placed before the main content video. So if you're editing your content video, you just place it from the start of the video. Okay, that's what the introductory video is. So to achieve this, I'm going to teach you how to do this with your phone. You mustn't do it with your computer. You mustn't do it with your laptop, your PC. You can achieve this with your phone. Okay, so to do this, you simply head over to Canva. If you don't have Canva, you can download Canva from your app store, your Play Store. Okay, you go to Canva. This is the home screen of my Canva. You go to search and you type in YouTube introduction video, or introductory video. YouTube introduction video. Okay, YouTube intro video. Okay, let's go with YouTube intro. It's going to take time to load, so bear with me. They are showing us different YouTube intro videos, different samples. So this is what they will show you. So it's left for you to pick out. Like this now, it has a welcome and a place to place your face, if that's what you want to go for. There are pro versions. The pro means you have to pay for it, but there are different free versions that are so lovely that you can decide to edit and use. You mustn't pay. Like this pink elegance is free. Okay, a lot of free versions that are so nice. Believe me, I made my intro. Sorry, I don't have an intro, but the end of my video, there's something like this attached to it. Okay, so you too can make your intro with this, or you can decide to make both your intro and something to pop up at the end of your video. Okay, so for the sake of this video, for the sake of this tutorial, we're going to go with this. Okay, yeah, I don't know if you might have seen a lot of people use this particular one with different collage, this particular one with different picture frames. A lot of people use it, so you can decide to tap on it and edit it. But for the sake of this tutorial, let's go with this. Let's edit this. So I'm just going to walk you through how to do it. It's very easy. I've tapped on it and it's taking time to load. Okay, your YouTube intro video is gonna be superb. This is it. So we're going to edit it. It's very easy to edit. Let me show you how it is. Okay, this is it. If you decide to go with this, is so beautiful. So you can decide to go with, you can decide to maintain the welcome. If you click on anywhere you click on, it's going to edit. Okay, so it's very easy. Anywhere you click on, you're going to edit it. I can decide to delete it. Let me say delete. You see it has deleted. You can decide to put in what I want to put in, but I like that welcome. So let's just go up here and undo it. You see, it's back. So I'm going to click on this and edit the name. Since that's not our name, I'm going to edit the name. So simply go to down here to edit and click on it, and then type in, let me say, let's use my name. Okay, I'm going to go with capital fonts. My keyboard has shown. I'm going to, okay, let's do something like this. Okay, Nine Romeo. Welcome. Nene Romeo. Nene Romeo's channel. Okay, or we can just decide to say Nene Romeo to make it simple and easy. Okay, now this is it. Nene Romeo, you can click on it and drag it down here. This looks unique and beautiful. Now this is image. You can decide to click on it and change the image. You can click on it and change the image because this is not you, this is another person. Okay, so you can decide to replace it or you can decide to delete it. For me, I clicked on replace. I'm replacing that. You see, this is my image. So it's as simple as that. Okay, I can decide to drag it if I want to enlarge it. You see, it has been enlarged, but I don't want to enlarge it, so I'm going to go and undo it so it will be inside the frame, just like the other image we saw. Okay, you can decide to just dabble with your phone. I'm touching my screen to fit them in, touching the screen of my phone to fit in the image. So this is it. Let's play it to see how it is. You see, welcome. This is beautiful. I think I'm going to use this. It is so nice. So it's very easy. Okay, you can do this with the other introductory video because the beauty about Canva is they already have a sample for you to use. You're not creating it from the scratch, except you want to create from the scratch. Okay, so I'm doing this with my smartphone, with my phone. Okay, so you too, you can do it with your phone or you can decide to do it with your PC, but it's very easy. Okay, there are other samples that you can edit from, not just this is just for the tutorial purpose. There are other samples you can decide to work on, other samples you can decide to edit. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel as that will encourage me to create more videos like this. If you're new to my channel, subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, please like and comment on this video, and I'll see you next time. Thank you and bye for now.